Oh, this is called the pre-spray. So when you clean carpet, carpet boils down to a textile. Carpet is no different than any other textile, whether it be nylon or polyester or wool. And what you do is you want to treat that fiber, that textile, in a way. And the method that really works best, no matter what the fiber is, it's called the C.H.A.T method. C.H.A.T. Cleaner, heat, agitation, and time. So the water coming from the truck that's going through this line is extremely hot. Hot water cleans better than cold water, right?
Right.
That is actually called the Arrhenius equation. Big word, and all that simply says is that for 10 degrees Celsius that you raise the temperature of a chemical, you're going to get about 50% more cleaning capacity. So if I use hot water, I can actually make a chemical work harder. So C.H.A.T stands for cleaner, heat, agitation, and time. This is the heat part as well as the chemical part. And this is just a detergent that's running through the line. So we apply this detergent evenly over all the spots, and we're trying to create big word, but the word is emulsification. And all that simply means is a separation of soil from a fiber. This is agitation. Remember we were talking about the C.H.A.T, the cleaner, heat, agitation, and time? Well, this is the agitation. Now, I elected to go with a little more agitation because I want to give you a better outcome. So what you do is you take your high traffic areas and you might scrub them. Just like when you wash a dish or when you're washing some clothes, you might take them and rub them together a little bit. You've done that before on a spot or a stain. Well, what you're doing is you're creating heat through agitation. And that agitation gives you a little bit more oomph to make your cleaner work a little bit stronger, a little bit harder. So again, we're trying to get those soils, right, to release from the fiber. And when those soils release from the fiber, we use that big word again, emulsification. But that's how we determine if something is clean. So to the naked eye, it appears as though there is less soil in that textile, and we call that clean. You can tell it's already starting to look better.
Oh yeah.
And we have not actually cleaned them up yet. This is just a beginning.
So it's a 4-step process or it's a 3-step process?
Well, the removing of the soil is 4 steps. Cleaner, heat, agitation, and time. But when you add in the way that you flush that soil out, that's going to vary based on the method.
What part of the process is this called?
This is called grooming. What we're doing is we're actually separating the fibers from themselves. It gives the carpet a very nice, freshly clean look, but it also opens up the fibers so that it can dry faster. So grooming is a part of the process. You want to make sure you get your carpet groomed. So if they're not grooming, they're cheating you. Or rather, they're not grooming, they're cheating themselves. It's kind of like getting your hair cut. And they trim it, but then they don't comb it all the way out. Comb it all the way out and make sure you trim it even. The only real way to determine if you clean the carpet well is to groom out the lawn marks. And you groom out those lawn marks so that you know you did what you're supposed to do. It gives it a nice, freshly clean look. That's the goal. If you notice, I'm going in reverse order. I don't walk on the area that I groom. No different than when I clean. Everything's done in reverse. So when you clean carpet, you think from the end to the beginning. You think backwards. Not the beginning to the end, but the end to the beginning. You think about where do you want to end and where you want to begin is the opposite. I never walk on my work. So every home has a drain out. And this is where the dirty water from your home sewage comes into the main line. The reason why I want to put the water here is because we don't want the dirty carpet cleaning water to go into the street, to get into the sewer in any particular way. You only want it to go into the dirty line. Otherwise, you're hurting the environment. Yeah, so you don't want to do that.